our size and weight units, which is the units that stops and inspects commercial motor vehicles. He was working I-44 westbound, observed this semi doing almost 80 miles an hour, and attempts to pull him over about Peoria. The truck driver, he doesn't do any movement to indicate he's going to pull over. Trooper pulls up. Trooper's got his lights on, got his siren, got his lights on, pulls up beside him. They make eye contact. Trooper's motioning for him to pull over. Trooper thinks that the driver of the vehicle, he's got his head down and it looks like he's writing in something. So the trooper thinks that he's probably updating his logbook. These drivers are not allowed to drive over so many hours after so many hours of sleep. Trooper gets in front of him in an attempt to persuade the guy to pull over, and the guy runs into the back of the trooper. And here we are stopped just west of Elwood, westbound. That was the initial reason for the stop.
Okay, everybody okay?
Everybody's okay. Trooper's not hurt. The guy driving the semi is in handcuffs in a patrol car on his way to jail.